We've got a group of volunteer students here today from the JC Academy, and they are here helping the Catherine Cobb Safe House take care of donations and do some cleaning and sorting and just general maintenance kind of help at the shelter. The pantry is getting restocked and organized. We're sorting to get rid of all the outdated food. We're putting together linen packets so that when families come in the middle of the night, all we have to do is grab a pillowcase full of bedding, and it's really easy to get that family settled in.
Today we are here from the Academy because we are volunteering to do community service to help the Catherine Cobb move supplies.
I have chosen to help organize their pantry. They get lots of donations from the community, canned foods, boxed foods, but every time people rummage through them, it gets disorganized. So I like to organize, and so I offered to help.
Usually we just are in school learning from books, but this is more of an experience that we get to go outside and learn from.
They're learning to give back to our community and also, make a difference in women's and kids' lives in our community and giving back.
They're learning what it looks like, what it means to be in a shelter, the things that we provide to the clients, the things that the services that are available to them at the shelter. And they just get a general feel of what their shelter looks like and what it might be like to live in the shelter, to get to see the setting and the amount of stuff that we have available to those clients that utilize our services.
I think learning about our community in the area, the culture, the history, taking care of those around us, it's really important for citizenship and good civic behavior.
It's definitely opened my eyes to. There's a lot of, behind me, there's a lot of hamburger helper, and over here there's a lot of canned vegetables, but it's not all of when you're living in a shelter, it's not all of the stuff that you can just kind of go out and buy what you want. You have to live on what people are providing for you, and you have to learn how to make your meals based on that. So it's definitely opened my eyes for making do for what you got.
There's a lot more out there in the community than just what we see in school and in our books and what we learn there.